action.
Good morning. Welcome, mathematicians, to another fun day of learning. Today is Thursday, March 26, 2020. Hope you are ready. Hope you are focused. Hope you have your math toolbox and you are ready to learn. So let's do a quick review of what we learned yesterday. So yesterday we learned how to add a pair of two-digit numbers when the ones digits have a sum less than or equal to 10 by using number bonds. So I gave you 3 steps. Let's go over them quickly. So step 1 was to break the smallest number into tens and ones. This is a quick review. So we took the 12, which was the smallest number between 25 and 12, and we broke it into a 10 and 2. Our step 2 was to add the bigger number to the 10. So we took 25 plus 10, and it gave us 35. So this is the sum. So we took the sum and added with the ones. So we have 35 plus 2 equals 37. So we know that 25 plus 12 equals 37. Today, mathematicians, I want to teach you that mathematicians can add a pair of two-digit numbers when the ones digits have a sum greater than 10. That means bigger than 10. By using number bonds. We're going to follow our same steps. But before we go over the steps, let's go over our vocabulary words. Let's do a quick review of our vocabulary words. So we have the word plus, a symbol that shows addition. We have the word digit, any of the numbers from 0 to 9. We have the word add, which is finding the sum of 2 or more numbers or finding how many are in all. We have the word sum, which is the answer to an addition sentence. For example, 5 plus 4 equals 9. So 9 is the sum of 5 plus 4. We have the word addition sentence, which is a number sentence where one number is added to another. And then we have the word addends, which are the numbers being added. So, let's see. So I want to remind you that mathematicians add a pair of two-digit numbers when the ones digits have a sum greater than 10 by using number bonds. Take a minute and tell me, what do you notice about the ones in the number 18, and what do you notice about the ones in the number 15? Turn and talk to someone at home. If you don't have anyone, remember that you can pause and think to yourself. What do you notice about the 10, about the 8? What do you notice about the 5? If you were to add them together, what do you notice? Yes, you will get an answer that is greater than 10. 8 plus 5 is greater than 10. I want to show you how we can add these two numbers using our manipulatives. So I'm going to start with 18. So I need a 10. 8, I need 8 ones. 18 is 110 and 8 ones. Plus 15. How many ones do we see in the number 15? We see 5. How many tens do we see in the number 15? We see 110. So the quickest way to add 18 plus 15 is by using our manipulatives. I can easily combine my tens. So now I have 2 tens. So I have 2 tens, and then I have 8 ones plus 5 ones. What do you notice now about these ones? Can we make a 10? Yes. We have 8. If we take away 2 from the 5, right, is going to give us 10 now, because 8 plus 2 gives us 10. Now we have 3 tens, and 3 tens we know that is equals to 30. So 30 plus 3 gives us 33. So that's representing the sum of 18 plus 15 using our manipulatives. Let's see how we can use the number bonds to add 2-digit numbers when the ones digits have a sum greater than 10. So let's see. Let's follow our steps. So step 1 says to break the smallest number into tens and ones. So I have 18 and 15. Which is the smallest number? Yes, 15. So I'm going to break that. How can I break 15? I can break it into 10 and 5. Because 10 plus 5 gives me 15. Now, step 2 says to add the bigger number to the 10. So I'm going to add 18 plus 10. Remember that you can always pause the video. So I have 18 plus 10 equals 28. So I did step 1. I did my step 2. Now I need to do step 3. And step 3 says, take the sum and add it with the ones. So here is the sum of 18 plus 10, 28. So I'm going to take 28 and I'm going to add it with the ones. Don't forget about this ones. I'm going to add it with 5. So I have 28 plus 5 equals. If you're not sure, you can just count up. So you have 28 plus 5. You can use your fingers. You can use your manipulatives. You can do a quick draw. So you have 28 plus 5. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Just make sure you have 5. So 28 plus 5 gives me 33. So that means that 18 plus 15 equals 33. So let's try to see if we can do another one. So I have 17 plus 14. I am going to follow the same steps. Remember that we are adding a pair of 2-digit numbers when the ones digits have a sum greater than 10. But let me quickly represent this with my manipulatives. So I have 17. I need 1 10 and 7 ones. And then I need 14. So I need 1 10. I need to represent the 14. So I need 1 10 and 4 ones. I just want to show you how we can combine them. So we're going to combine the 10s, right? So now I have 2 10s. And then in here I have 7 ones and 4 ones. 7 ones and 4 ones gives me 11 ones. But I can make a 10. How? I can take 3 from the 4, add it to the 7, and that will give me another 10. So now I have 3 10s and 1 1. So now I have 30 plus 1 gives me 31. So let's quickly represent it with the number bond. So let's follow the step for adding 2-digit numbers when the ones digits have a sum greater than 10 by using number bonds. So let's see. So first I'm going to break the smallest number into 10s and 1s. So in this case, I'm breaking the 14. So I'm going to break it into 10 and 4. Step 2, I'm going to add the bigger number to the 10. So I'm going to take 10 and add it with the 17. So 17 plus 10 equals 27. Step 3, you're going to take the sum and add it with the ones. So I'm going to take this sum, which is 27, add it with the ones, which is 4, and it's going to give me 31. So 17 plus 14 equals to 31. Mathematicians, did you see how I added a pair of 2-digit numbers when the ones digits have a sum greater than 10 by using number bonds? First, I broke the smallest number into 10s and 1s. Then I add the bigger number to the 10. So I took 17 and added to the 10. That gives me 27. Step 3, I took the sum and added with the 1. So I took 27, added with the 4, and it gave me 31. So you're going to follow these 3 steps when completing your independent work. Remember that you can always go back to watch the video. Good luck. Till next time.